Welcome to a journey of faith and unity as we delve into the story of the Ayodhya Ram Mandir. Nestled in Ayodhya, the birthplace of Lord Ram, this magnificent temple emerges from a historic legal journey. It stands proud, a beacon of unity, drawing people together in a shared spirit of devotion and harmony. Imposing and grand, the temple's architecture weaves a tale of rich cultural heritage. Intricate carvings and designs sketch out the epic Ramayana, a story etched in stone for all to see. Marking a new era, the temple's construction fosters unity and inclusivity, inviting people from diverse backgrounds to come together. It transcends religious significance, promoting cultural understanding and mutual respect. As pilgrims gather, the Ayodhya Ram Mandir transforms into a sacred space for spiritual reflection and communal celebration. So, let's celebrate this spirit of unity and faith embodied by the Ayodhya Ram Mandir. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more stories that bind us all. Hi Shri Ram! And remember, if you enjoyed this journey, hit that like button, share with your friends and subscribe for more. Until next time, stay tuned for more inspiring and unifying stories. Jai Shri Ram! #Ayodhya Ram Mandir #Unity in Faith #Shorts